To decide in which countries to operate in Europe, the way we prioritize is by focusing on the impact we can have in the country. And we can bring more impact depending on the rules. If the rules allow a good participation, fair participation of demand-side flexibility, then we can have more impact. And we can have more impact for the grid and for our customers. So we can bring more value to our customers. On top of that, we also try to expand into countries that are experiencing a high growth of renewable energy installations, because that's where flexibility is most needed. So for us, it is important that there are certain parameters that are met in the regulation. The first thing is that we need to be able to operate as an independent aggregator, which means that customers can choose to work with us and independently from their energy supplier. The second important thing is that we need to be able to have a direct contract with our customers and not passing through their energy supplier. And then we need to be able to operate without having to compensate the energy supplier. Also important is that customers are paid for availability, which means that they are paid for being available to operate on the market. The last thing, which is also very important for us, is that small assets are allowed to participate on the market, which means that we can bring on the market also smaller customers and aggregate them in our pool. The best case that we have recently is our expansion to Greece. In Greece, the market didn't exist, it wasn't open, and we collaborated with the transmission system operator ADMIE there to open the market together with them. It was a great collaboration. They were interested in bringing us into the market because they needed more service providers, and we were interested in entering the market because there were a lot of CNI customers that were ready to participate in demand response services. What made the collaboration really successful is the fact that they were very open to hear our point of view. So they had never worked with a demand response aggregator, and they were very open to hear our experiences from other countries, what we did in the Nordics, what we did in the Netherlands. So that made the collaboration very, very fruitful. Having a pan-European footprint means that you have to navigate through the regulations of different countries, and that is the main challenge for Sympower. The rules are written in different ways, the terminology is different, and on top of that, what's most challenging, especially for our product, is that the IT systems used by the transmission system operator are different per country. Being a pan-European player allows us to have contracts with big corporations that have sites all over Europe. So we believe that this is a key differentiator from our competitors, and that allow us to have contracts with companies that are present in multiple countries, which is beneficial for them. For us, the benefit is also that we learn from other countries how to operate with different transmission system operators, and that's very valuable for the transmission system operators, because we can bring examples of how things are being done in other countries into the new ones that we enter. The potential of demand-side flexibility is huge, and as more and more countries are embracing it, our goal is to provide seamless, comprehensive energy solutions for businesses of both sizes across the continent.